Welcome everyone to the Easter long weekend. But I have to say right from the start, this is not just a normal weather update. Because while most of Australia is preparing for a rare period of rest, out over the Coral Sea, a system is quietly growing, and it could become a formidable storm in the coming days. A two extremes weather picture. Today, we have a lot to talk about. A tropical low is strengthening over the Coral Sea. The possibility of it developing into Cyclone Owen, whether Queensland could be affected, and a detailed forecast for the entire Easter long weekend. It may sound like a lot, but the good news is most of the weather over the next few days is actually quite nice, at least before things begin to change. A quick thank you. Before we dive deeper into the forecast, I just want to say one thing. Thank you all so much. All your likes, comments, and shares truly mean a lot, and I will continue to bring you the most important updates. Tropical low 37U. Now let's get to the main focus. Out over the Coral Sea, between the Solomon Islands and Papua New Guinea, a system named 037U is clearly strengthening. This morning we've already seen convective cloud structure becoming more organized, a clear low-level circulation center, and a dense cloud mass starting to wrap around itself. In other words, this system is building itself into a real cyclone. Extreme rainfall, flood risk. Before we talk about Australia, we need to talk about the areas that will be impacted first. The Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea. In the coming days, these areas could receive hundreds of millimeters of rain. In some places, even up to thousands of millimeters. This is both good news, as the region has been quite dry in recent years, but at the same time, the flood risk is very high. When will it become a cyclone? Initially, many models suggested slow development, but reality is now showing the opposite. It is intensifying faster than expected. Latest forecast, Saturday evening begins rapid intensification. Saturday night, Sunday, could officially become Tropical Cyclone Owen. And from there, things start to get serious. Track, the hardest question. This is the most important part and also the most frustrating one. Right now there are two main scenarios. Scenario 1, moving toward Queensland. The system is pushed westward, approaches far North Queensland, could reach Category 3, possibly near Category 4. If this happens, widespread heavy rainfall, prolonged strong winds, potential impacts near areas like Cairns. Scenario 2, turning into the Coral Sea. The system is pulled southward, then drifts toward New Caledonia, New Zealand. In that case, Queensland is largely spared from direct impact, and the problem is, we don't yet know which scenario will happen. To be honest, this is like a weather gamble. Why? Upper-level atmospheric patterns are still unstable. High-pressure systems are shifting, and the system isn't strong enough yet to control its own movement. When will we have answers? The good news is, once it officially becomes a cyclone Sunday, forecast models will become more accurate, data will be clearer, and we should get answers within 24 to 48 hours. That means Monday, Tuesday, the key turning point. Important advice. If you are in Queensland, don't panic right now. Enjoy your long weekend, but after the weekend, start monitoring closely. Stay updated regularly. Australia weather during Easter. Now let's talk about the pleasant side. Queensland and the north, weather is relatively calm. A few coastal showers. Some areas may see 80-200 millimeters locally. Overall, typical seasonal conditions. Southeast Australia, dominated by a strong high-pressure system. Result, clear skies. Light winds, ideal for travel and boating. This could be the best weather you can hope for. New South Wales, light coastal showers from Saturday, not too significant, 50 millimeters. Tasmania, could see moderate rain, even light snow. A clear sign, winter is approaching Western Australia, storm hotspot. While the east remains calm, Western Australia is a different story. An active thermal trough is in place. Widespread thunderstorms, frequent lightning, hail, already reported at golf ball size. Affected areas, goldfields, wheatbelt. Northern inland, will Perth be affected? The answer is maybe, but not certain. Conditions, atmospheric instability, present. Moisture, somewhat lacking. Temperature, not quite high enough. It's like baking a cake. You have almost all the ingredients, but you're missing a bit of sugar. Result, it doesn't fully come together. Longer-term outlook. As we move toward the end of the month, low-pressure systems and cold fronts will become more frequent. Weather will shift into winter mode. More rain, more variability. Quick summary. Low 037U could become Cyclone Owen on Sunday. Track uncertain. Queensland monitor from Monday. Easter. Mostly pleasant weather. Western Australia, localized severe storms. Ending over the next few days. Things are going to get very interesting, and I'll continue to update as new data comes in. If you're interested in the development of Cyclone Owen, don't forget to subscribe to the VTV Tien channel for future updates. Thank you all for watching. Wishing you a wonderful Easter long weekend. Drive safely and enjoy the good weather while it lasts, because the next storm may already be on the way. See you in the next update.